She's given me what no other woman has given me. Ooh. When I think about the girl, it makes me sing. When a woman loves. When she loves, when she loves, when a woman loves.
Let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
I don't know. Well, Jerone, the showmanship is there. I just really thought maybe you could have focused on something a little bit more interesting in terms of the performance instead of, there was a little bit of a self-involvement. I don't know. I found it, hold on, I found it a little distracting. A nice song selection, but I was not as thrilled as I suspect Elaine and Conroy are going to be.
Elaine.
How I do penani? Sir. Anyway, hi, sir. Hear that one out. Woo, sir. Oh, how incredible you are, Jerone. You are. Go ahead, Anthony, let me talk and do my thing because it's not, and it's true. Right? You are so good from start to finish. The first note, the singing, the musical acrobatics with your voice that you are doing. You had everybody, all women were screaming. This is a good thing. Big up yourself. That was so good. The best performance by far for the night.
Conroy,
Yes.
your thoughts?
It is the best performance for the night, for true. And there are no doubts that you can sing and sing very well. Your showmanship is great and excellent. Don't play it down for nobody, including Anthony. And but seriously, it's a part of what makes the performance what it is. And you also brought the most power tonight in terms of your delivery. So very good.
Thanks, judges. If Jerone's voice touched your soul and you want more, text the word VOTE to 444-5507 or call 444-5507. Thank you, sir.